So Tesla just bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and have announced that they will be accepting Bitcoin as a method of payment for their vehicles from here on. And of course this is massive for Bitcoin and for crypto as a whole, but it's also substantial for Cardano as well. And in this video I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on why billions of dollars will likely flow into Cardano and ADA from here. Before we get to that, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, then be sure to subscribe to be entered into our monthly crypto giveaways and for fresh daily content. So Cardano offer a platform for other people and businesses to develop decentralized applications, and of course there is a huge number of ways in which decentralized apps can benefit businesses all around the world. In my view, the biggest opportunities lie in the finance industry, where decentralized applications can help to make asset management, an industry worth in excess of $100 trillion, more modern and more accessible. Now, although Ethereum is still the market leader in terms of platforms which enable the development of decentralized apps in terms of volume, actually in terms of utility and technological value, Cardano is in my view the best in the business. And you may be wondering what Tesla buying Bitcoin has to do with Cardano and ADA and why it's likely to be very beneficial. The first thing to consider is that Tesla buying Bitcoin isn't just an implicit approval of Bitcoin. It's the beginning of an era where large companies, if they want to stay up to speed with their competition, will have to start accepting digital currency. Tesla have long been an organization which has been on the forefront of technological revolution, and they've done very well by maintaining that position, and therefore there are tens of thousands of small and large companies out there who are likely to follow Tesla. Now it stands to reason that the more consumers there are interested in Bitcoin, the more demand there will be for crypto-based solutions as a whole. And actually, as Bitcoin is becoming mainstream and as integration of the currency into the financial system is growing along with consumer adoption, there will inevitably be businesses who want to capitalize on this growing industry. And although Cardano aren't directly linked with Bitcoin, the growth of the crypto industry will lift cryptos which are worthwhile and useful, and Cardano are in my opinion optimally positioned to experience substantial growth in the form of huge numbers of new developments with Cardano and billions of dollars flowing into ADA. Now the case and example for this was the internet back in the early 90s. Now at this point the internet was much like crypto in that the use and adoption was growing by hundreds of % per year, and there was a lot of mystery around the space but also a lot of potential as well. Now the internet was a thing that was growing, but the development and growth of the internet gave birth to many other forms of business and kind of sub-industries, and I believe that the same thing is happening with crypto today. Bitcoin is the main crypto that most people who know about crypto are interested in, but actually the growth of Bitcoin is pushing more and more consumers to delve further into the space and is lifting up projects like Cardano as well as others. Whenever there is a large amount of interest from consumers, there will also be a lot of activity from businesses as well. Businesses that want to capitalize on that interest. And in capitalism you make money by satisfying the needs of consumers. And again, one of the best ways to use blockchain technology to improve certain business practices and also the way that certain industries work is to use decentralized applications. So Cardano are, in terms of technological capability and value, probably the #1 platform which enables the development of decentralized applications in the crypto space. And for this reason, I for one believe that over the coming months and even years, there will be a substantial amount of money flowing into Cardano as long as they can stay ahead of the competition. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed and would like to see more content like this, then be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.